Copywriting is a skill of writing messages that promote products, services, or ideas. The one thing to keep in mind is that the more you communicate with the tool, the better the tool gets and understands your voice. So you gotta just practice it, season it, get it to know how you talk, what your products are, get it to understand everything about your universe, and it will only get better with time. Copywriting is a skill of writing messages that promote products, services, or ideas. It uses carefully chosen words to grab attention and encourage others to take action. Copywriting is a vital skill that applies to many areas: sales, marketing, PR, content creation, public speaking, script writing, branding, recruiting, a lot more. So let's explore a few ways that AI can help you create copy effortlessly. Let's get some scenarios here. You need to create a video to promote a specific product. So in this case, we're going to use one of the products for our brand. Let's use this as an example. It says, create a script for a 2-minute marketing video promoting the products described below. And then I'm explaining one of our top sellers, which is a magnesium product. Let's see what it says. So good morning, start your day with a burst of natural energy and balance with Magic Mag. Scene transitions to a person adding a scoop of the Magic Mag powder to a glass of water, stirring it and taking a refreshing sip. Narrator, Magic Mag is your go-to magnesium drink powder with a delightful strawberry lemon flavor, perfect for any time of the day. Cut to animation showing magnesium's role in neurotransmission between nerve cells, highlighting the heart and muscles. You got to watch out with that because on the supplement world, you got to watch out for your claims. You can't be, you got to really, really pay attention to that. By the way, on the supplement space, you can feed it what the claims are that you need to stay away from, and it will just make sure that you're not crossing that line. So I have a script right here that I can actually tweak and get it to where I want it to be. So that's the example of that one. Number 2, you want to provide your newly hired sales team with a script to help them get started. Let's look at this one over here. Write a script for a sales phone call to introduce and sell the product service described below. Make sure to also address common objections and questions. Target audience, business owners looking for easy-to-use task management tools to help their employees manage their tasks and time better. Product name is Trello, which is a visual project management tool that enables users to organize tasks and projects into boards, lists, and cards. Each card represents a task, which can be moved between lists to indicate progress, such as from to do to in progress to completed. Trello is highly customizable, allowing users to add deadlines, attachments, and collaborators. It's widely used for personal and team productivity, helping to keep projects organized and on track. By the way, you can also get this tool to help you describe different softwares and projects and programs and things that you have, right? It'll come up with a good description for that. So let's give this a try. Sales phone call script for Trello. Hi, this is Manuel calling from Trello. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. How can I help you? Salesperson, I'm glad to hear that. The reason I'm calling is that I wanted to introduce you to Trello, a visual project management tool that can significantly help you and your team manage tasks and time more effectively. Are you currently using any task management tools? So it goes through the script. The one thing to keep in mind is that the more you communicate with the tool, the better the tool gets and understands your voice. So you got to just practice it, season it, get it to know how you talk, what your products are, get it to understand everything about your universe, and it will only get better with time.